Electronic waste or e-waste. Discarded television sets, music systems, transistors, mobile phones, and computers are known as electronic or e-waste. It is hazardous in nature as it contains toxic metals such as lead, beryllium, mercury, and cadmium. Management of e-waste is a major concern today, both for the manufacturer and the user. Biomedical waste. Waste generated from hospitals and clinics is classified as biomedical waste. The waste include bandages, hand gloves, syringes, amputated limbs, waste cotton, saline bottles and medicines, etc. Municipal solid waste or urban waste. It is the waste generated from domestic, industrial and commercial activities, shops, vegetables, fruits, meat and fish market. Garbage, plastic bags, glasses, metals, fiber, paper, rubber, containers, scrapped vehicles, discarded building material, etc. are included in this category. Plastic. It is an organic polymer material. It is used by all sections of society on a large scale. Low-quality plastic does not decompose easily and remains for long periods in the environment. Its disposal is a major concern in solid waste management. Biodegradable or decomposable waste. This waste, which can be decomposed or degraded easily by microorganisms. Such waste include kitchen waste, waste food, fruits, vegetables, paper, soil, ash, animal dung, plant leaves, etc. Decomposable soil wastes are mostly organic in nature. Non-biodegradable or non-decomposable waste. This type of waste is not easily decomposed and it requires more times and different techniques for decomposition. It includes plastics, resins, rubber, thermocol, glass and synthetic material, furniture, etc. Solid wastes are generally separated as wet and dry solid waste. Wet solid waste. Solid waste such as vegetable, fruits, eggs, fish and meat, waste food, paper, cardboard, plant leaves, agricultural waste, cow dung, etc. are classified as wet solid waste. Dry solid waste. This type of solid waste is not easily decomposable and needs to be reused and recycled. Such types of waste includes plastic bags, plastic packing material, rubber, metals, glass, resins and synthetic materials, etc. Effects of improper management of solid waste. 1. Loss of beauty, aesthetic effect. Litter and discarded solid waste makes the place look dirty and spoils the beauty of the area, and the people keep adding to the dirt. 2. Highly odorous or bad smell. Stored or collected solid waste produces an obnoxious odor released during decomposition. 3. Toxic gases. Municipal solid waste disposal sites or landfill sites produce toxic gases like hydrogen sulfide, H2S, methane, CH4, carbon dioxide, CO2, which are harmful to human health. 4. Spread of diseases. Open dumping of solid waste is unhygienic as it spreads various diseases like typhoid, bacillary dysentery, amoebic dysentery, diarrhea, cholera, and even stomach cancer. It is also a cause for inviting mosquitoes, flies and rodents in and around the dump yards. Stray animals feed on the open waste food of vegetables, becoming carriers of diseases. 5. Environmental pollution. During the process of decomposition and burning of solid waste, toxic gases are produced. Many times, waste at dumping sites are burnt to reduce its total volume, which releases toxic gases, dust, and suspended particles. Water pollution. Solid waste dumping sites or improper landfill sites often face problems of leachate or percolation of waste water. Toxic substances get mixed with groundwater, river, lakes, wells, and any nearby water bodies, causing contamination of pathogenic organisms. Soil pollution. Microorganisms play a very important role in soil decomposition. Due to dumping of toxic substances like plastic bags or any synthetic material, microorganisms die, and this stops the decomposition. Sometimes soil also becomes acidic or alkaline due to solid waste. 6. Effect on bird diversity. Many bird species migrate from a particular area to other areas due to bad smell of waste.